So hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, my fellow creative designers and content creators. Welcome once again to another exciting episode on this channel. And guys, in today's episode, we will be doing something specific, something extraordinary. And this is by popular request, how I always do my mockups. Yes, how I always do my mockup, how I always place my flyers, my logos, my design on a mockup. Yes, some of the mockups are square size, some of them are landscape, some of them are portraits, and other way around, some of them are circular ways. So any way around that you find yourself, but basically today this is what you are going to do. You are going to, yes, and don't forget a tutorial on how I was able to achieve this beautiful 3 days Easter crusade flyer is also coming. So this is my channel interface. Yes, let me show you my channel interface. We have a lot of tutorials, and then we have 2K subscribers with 390 videos, so you can check it out and then do more. So if you look at this this video, for example, this video, how I did the mockup, yes, how I did this mockup, this is also here, how I did this mockup over here, and then basically how we do some of the mockups, yes, some of the mockups, and even if you look at this, yes, if you look at this one, how we're able to do this mockup, yes, all these ones is what we are coming to learn today. Yes, all this one is what we are coming to learn this way, and even one is here, this one, how we're able to do this mockup, yes, and then there is also one here, how we're able to do this mockups, yes, how we're able to do this mockups, yes. So please, this tutorial is coming your way today. Yes, please, this is my channel interface. Subscribe, like and share. Subscribe, like and share. We have about plenty videos in which you can watch a lot of them and practice, ranging from logo design, church flyers, wedding invitation, just name them. Plenty Photoshop tips, tricks, and Photoshop tips, just name them. Album covers, brochures, stickers, plenty, please. So please, you can check it out, and then I have a lot of them too with their resources file and the PSD file, whereby you can download, practice, and then send it to me, and let's communicate. So basically, yes, let's see what we have today, and these are some of the things that we'll be talking about. Yes, if you look at this flyer, I've done a mock-up of it. That is why you are seeing it this way. Yes, that's why you are seeing it this way. So after designing your flyer in this way, then what you need to do is what is called the mock-up. That is presenting your work on, let's say, a screen. Yes, presenting your work on a screen. And we are not going to use Photoshop. If you have Photoshop, good, thumbs up. But if you don't have Photoshop and you are using your smartphone, then this is going to help you. So quickly go to your browsers and then just search for www.photopea.com. So it's here, photopea.com. I'll click on it and then enter this way. Now, before you be able to use Photopea smoothly and perfectly on your Android phone or on your smartphone version must have some qualities. At least it shouldn't be a smartphone which the resolution and other storage device and other things are not all that good. It should be higher before you can use. So a lot of people have been complaining that whenever I open the Photopea on my phone and I want to do a mockup, the phone will be lagging or to be running slow. Yes, it's because of your phone features is not all that good. That is why you are facing such problems. So then again, I'll just go to open from computer. Yes, open from computer. Then I'll locate where my mockup project is. So here I've saved it in the 3D text effect, and we are using free A5 flyer stand mockup. So meaning I've downloaded the mockup from any of the websites, okay, and then I've extracted it and resave it into a different folder. Yes, then you open it this way, then click on this one. You are seeing that this is a free A5 flyer stand mockup.psd. Yes, click the one with the PSD. Yes, that is what you need. So click on that one. Okay, so click on that one, the one with .psd. So click on it, and then it will open in Photopea straightforward. Yes, once it's open, now there are certain things you must do. Once it's open, there are certain things you must do. Now let's go and see. You need to click here, this side to open the layers. Yes, to open the layers. So click on that side, then open the layers. Then again, let's see here. You are seeing design here. Perfect. Click on the design thumbnail. Then you are seeing another thing here. This thing, yes. So you click on that side. At that side, you double click it. So double click it this way. Then go and hide the panel again, the layer panel again. Then go to your file at the top here. Perfect. So click on the file. Then click on open and place. Yes, this open and place. Perfect. So open and place. Then you are going to pick your design. Yes, you are going to pick your design. So this is my design. I'll click it this way. Then boom, you see that it has appeared over there. Now it's not covering the entire screen. So meaning I'll hold the edge here and click here and then open here. Good. Now it fixed the whole area. Then I'll go to my file again. Yes, go to my file again. Perfect. Go to file again and then click on save smart object. Yes, click on save smart object. Perfect. Save smart object and then wait a while. So you see it's giving me an indication. So once you realize that the indication is gone, come and click on this side. Perfect. Then click on this side. Now you see it has shown over there. Perfect. So you see, if you like, you can zoom it and see. Perfect. You can zoom it and see. Now you see, perfect. So you see, it's now showing over there. Perfect. So then you zoom it out again this way. Then we need to save it. So go to the same file again. Yes, go to the same file again. Then click on this side. Click on save export as. Click on export as over here. Perfect. So export as. Then come and click on PNG. Yes, PNG. And then wait a while. So you see it's appearing this way. Then if you want to rename it, then you can come here and then write the name. Just click it and then write the names. But let me save it 1, 2, 3 for the purpose of not conflicting. Then I'll come and click on save. This save here. Yes, so you see save over there. Then I'll click on the save over there. Then you wait for it to save in your device. So you see, perfect. So let's click on open and see. Perfect. So you see how I've been able to do it. You see, yes. So please subscribe to this channel, like, share. I have a lot of content. So if you do it this way and then you put it on your social media handles, trust me, a lot of people are going to contact you and then they are going to ask you, how were you able to achieve this? Teach me how to do this. And in so doing, at least you can also be making some coins over there. So please, once again, this is my channel interface. Yes, this is my channel interface. Please watch more. I have free PSD files that I've been sharing, and this 2025 we started with a lot of them. I think this is the number 4 or so. Number 5 and number 6 are coming very soon. And again, how I was able to achieve this flyer is also coming. That is why I always tell you that subscribe to this channel, like, share, comment. If you subscribe, click on the notification bell and click it, subscribe it to all areas. Click on all. In so doing, if I post any video, you will be the first person to get it and then practice and put it on your social media handles just to get some credit, and that's all. So please, again, subscribe to this channel and then like, share, comment, so that let me know how this video or this tutorial is helping you in any other ways. I love you. I'll see you in the next tutorials. Bye. Until then, goodbye.